Hey, Mr. Ganley here. Friday's here. Your class will be virtual today. I will not be live. This is just a message letting you know what you need to do for PE on Friday. And every Friday, you'll be on your own going through Schoology. All right, here we go. So basically, when you get in the Schoology page, you're going to be on the updates page. You're going to scroll back up, and you're going to click on materials. So always click materials to access any kind of important content, activities in all our learning folders. Once in the materials folder, you'll scroll back down beneath everything else, and you're going to click on the yellow unit, personal and social behavior folder. Okay, this is where your activity is today. Once inside, you're going to go down to Learning Set 6, and we're going to talk about safety today. Within safety, you're going to have 3 different folders. You'll have a Getting Started, which is red, Learn About It, which is yellow, and Show What You Know, which is green. So you're always going to start with, obviously, the Getting Started folder. You just click right in there, and you have a couple different warm-ups you can do. So you'll click on the first one. It'll give you some directions, and there'll be a link for daily warm-up activities. You can click on that and get started. When you're done, you go back out to your second warm-up. I like this one a little bit better. It's a little more fun. You have 3 choices. Okay, you'll click, and you can try them all if you like. If you like one more than the others, you can do that one, and just kind of see which one you like. Click it, and it'll take you to your warm-up. When you finish your Getting Started folder, just go back, and then you'll be ready for the yellow Learn About It and Practice, which will be the actual activities of the lessons that we do in Schoology. So we'll always start with this 1, 2, 3 step approach. So once inside there, you'll have 3 activities here. Occasionally the links don't work. If they don't work, don't freak out. Skip it. Let me know when we come back on Monday. Okay? So you'll take your time, you'll get these done, and you go back out when you're finished. And the very last thing you'll do is the green Show What You Know folder, which is normally an assessment or a quiz. It's normally not that much. It's a couple questions. It's just to capture your knowledge. Okay? And we're just really learning. This is the first learning set we're going to do, the safety folder, and we'll go from there. Okay? So when you're finished with that, you're done inside Schoology. But there are 2 other things I would like you to do for your PE time today. You'll finish your Schoology content. That's 1. 2, what I need you really to do is figure out a space that's safe to participate in PE inside the house, where you can clear equipment out of the way, where you have a free space where you can play and you won't break anything. So figure out a good activity area. Okay, that's 2. And 3, the last thing, get outside and play for at least 15-20 more minutes. Okay, if it's nice enough, get outside and play, ride a bike. Just a little bit of activity time to fill in the gap of 60 minutes every day. Okay, so I'll be back on Monday with you guys. Work hard. I want to hear how this went on Monday, and we'll review it together. Okay, today's on your own. Monday we're back. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.